Hey lovely people, so about 5 weeks ago I installed these gorgeous mini twists in my hair. If you are interested in knowing how I installed this, please watch the video. I will link it below. But now here we are. Today in this video I'm actually going to be taking down those same mini twists. I know, a big difference, girl. I had these mini twists in, like I said, for 5 weeks. Okay, I didn't plan on leaving it in as long as I did, but it's whatever. And excuse these faces I'm making. I'm just over here doing this for a thumbnail that I did not use, so just enjoy this comedic aspect, okay? But anyways, girl, I will be taking out these mini twists. As y'all can see by the look of my roots, your girl got some new growth, okay? Like I said, I had these in for 5 weeks. I did not measure my new growth or anything like that. I never really do. But if I had to guess how much my hair has grown within those 5 weeks, honestly, girl, I would say 1.5 inches, honestly. Or maybe just, is it an inch? Yeah, honestly, 1.5 inches, because I do feel like I just received so much new growth from that protective style. Like whenever I put my hair in a protective style, it just grows tremendously. So I'm just showing you all how my twists look. I did wash my twists once I reached that 2-week mark, which is why they look so frizzy the way that they do. And to be honest, I do regret washing them because my hair shrunk up so much. And like the more your hair shrinks up, the more tangles and of course single strand knots. So that was a big mistake that I made when I had these mini twists in. So here I am sectioning off my hair because of course I do work in sections. So I have this one section left in my hair to take out, and I'm just going to show you all and demonstrate how I take my twist out. Okay, so being that my hair was pretty much in a shrunken state and just experiencing knotting, I definitely had to like start at the very bottom of my ends and kind of just any knots that I would experience, take my time and unravel those knots. Even though I was experiencing some single strand knots and some just unnecessary shrinkage from when I washed my twist, I still was able to take my twist out in a short amount of time, which is ironic because it did not take as long as it did for me to actually install them, which would make sense. But for some reason in my head I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna take me forever to take down, which is why I ended up leaving it in for as long as I did. So yes, here I am. As you all can see, once I really work through the ends, it's easy for me to unravel up the shaft. Now once I get to my roots, I did braid my roots or plait my roots, as you all can tell. If you can't, I totally understand because it's just so much new growth, you can't really see what's what. But I did braid my roots, and so I had to take my time as well in making sure that the roots were all the way unraveled, because if you do leave a protective style in for a extensive amount of time, that line of demarcation, like where the product buildup meets like the new growth, it'll kind of get like real crazy up in there, like just tangles and mushed together and matted together. So I went ahead and made sure my roots were completely separated. All right, so I'm just going ahead and repeating the process.
Baby, come over and be alone with me tonight. All these emotions is washing over me tonight. Right in, right now, right stop, right down, baby, lock it in. Right now, I want it right here, right now. Cuddled up on a couch, on a book, baby, spin around. Zoom out, coming on my blouse. I want it right here, right now. There's nothing that I want as much as I want you.
Alright, so here I am, you all. I was able to finally take out all my hair, and that is the amount of shed hair that I did receive. It wasn't really a lot, but I did experience some breakage due to the unnecessary shrinkage and tangles and single strand knots. But this is how my hair looked. I went ahead and did like a flaxseed gel pre-poo because I was gonna, of course, wash my hair. But I did film a video on that pre-poo, so make sure you all stay tuned to see how my hair took to the flaxseed gel. But as you all can see, it looks pretty tangled, detangled. I mean, I did comb through it and twist it back up because my hair will be getting washed, and I do wash my hair in twist. Despite the breakage that I did receive, I mean, of course, my hair still looks the same. It looks decent, but I was not happy with the breakage that I did see. Just a lot of like little pieces of hair, which you all know that's pretty much breakage. But that's the little ball that I got. Like I said, it's not a lot. It's expected. But of course, we want to eliminate and combat breakage as much as possible. And of course, those are some shed hairs in there as well. It's not all breakage. It's mostly shed hairs. But like I said, I did experience some little small pieces of hair, which basically is breakage. So that I will be keeping a close eye on. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will be doing a pre-poo video using flaxseed gel, so make sure you all stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Please comment down below, and if you are new here, welcome, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace and blessings.